Dale. What are you doing?
I'm thinking of new video ideas. What is up, guys? Back with another mother video. We're gonna beat the living fuck out of it. I will not stop until this thing blows up. That's what we're gonna do today. Fuck you looking at. Fuck you looking at. Go like this. Oh, by the way, guys, if you wanna like mog on people and you guys wanna get a chin like mine, start gua shaing your face because my shit is like nice as fuck. I got no eye bags. I got no eyeball bags under my eyes. God, something fucking stinks. Doesn't it? I haven't taken a shower since last week, Monday. I've worked out 5 times. I've cut the grass 3 times.
Why?
And I took 3 shits last week. All right, stop talking. Well, now, guys, we're gonna back this bitch out. You guys are about to see some fucking carnage. Incarnate. Pregnancy. This is the carnage. It doesn't run. Go nuts. All right. I gotta get the truck because the battery's dead, so I'm gonna jump start it. I'll be right back. Once my cameraman picks up the pace and gets up here in time.
What'd you say? I don't think you can do a donut in it. Dale, this is so stupid.
It's so cool. I already see the tire spin. done. I think it's done. Well, she's been fun. I don't really see a point in keeping it anymore, though.
Machine.
Yeah. Now what else? Is this changing the dynamic of the channel now? We're getting rid of old things that we used to. One of my first videos was of that thing.
Was it?
Yep. Remember I was like running into shit. I think it's bliss. I kind of blew it up. Fuck it, right? So stay tuned for the next video, guys, because we got something very fun planned. We're getting rid of all the old and we're getting the new. So see you guys in the next video. Wait.